when I change colors, you need to change colors, okay? When I write in black, that'll be your pencil. When I write in a different color, that will be your different colored pen. So we're going to title it Reflection. And reflection, what word do we think of? Mirror or flip. Okay? And this side specifically is going to be the x-axis. So when you flip an image over the x-axis. The rule, when you start with an x, comma, y, our new image will be x, comma, opposite y. So your original point is the xy, but then when you reflect it over the x-axis, your new point will be the same x, but opposite y. Then at the bottom, you can, whatever room you have left, just draw in a coordinate grid.
Just use the rest of these spaces.
Yep. And then over here on the side, we're going to write our A is going to be -2, 4. And then let's graph that. So I'd go left 2, up 4, and put a point A. B is going to be 3, 3. So right 3, up 3. It's going to be B. C is going to be 3, 1. So right 3, up 1. And D will be -2, 1. So left 2, up 1. Yep. And then connect your dots to make what type of square? No.
Rectangle.
Not a rectangle. Trapezoid. Because B and C is not the same size as A and B.
Yeah, I noticed that after like
Okay, so then with your different colored pencil or pen, our rule, so what will be my new A? What would be my new A? -2, what? -4, because your x stays the same, but your y is opposite. So then let's graph that. So we go -2, down 4. My new B will be what?
3A.
X stays the same, your y becomes opposite. So 3, -3. The new C will be what? 3, -1. And the new D will be -2, -1. Again, your x's should stay the same, but your y's become the opposite. So then you should have the same size and shape. Questions on that? Okay, then you can flip it over. Are we good? good? Okay, so at the top of the backside, we're going to do the same thing. Reflection. Yep. Reflection means what again? Flip. Except for this time, we're going to do the y-axis. So our rule is going to be your x comma y will become, when I flip it left and right, which one changes? So it's going to be opposite x, comma, what happens to the y? So same y. And then draw a coordinate grid. Since you guys are having like the white side of yours, you'll actually have to draw in little, yep. Make your tick marks. Try to get them as even as possible so that it doesn't look too wonky. We'll draw in your new image and then we'll do the last part. So A is going to be -4, 3, so graph that. -4, 3. B is going to be -2, 3. And C will be -3, -2. So what shape do we make now? I'm going to go ahead and finish it, just so we have it all in one place. Okay, so your new A, your opposite x. So what's the opposite of -4?
4.
Yep. And then what happens to your y?
Stays.
Stays the same, so 3. Graph that, 4, 3. Your new B should be
2, 3.
2, 3. Graph that. And your C should be
3, -2.
3, -2. Graph that. And again, it should be the same size and same shape. And it still should be pointing down. Okay, add that to your ring.